and cook it. I'm Vicki Fleshour.
And I'm Kara Kinney.
Today we're doing poppy seed chicken. Our spice of the month is poppy seeds. Kara's going to tell you the recipe and a little bit about it.
Okay, in this recipe you need 5 cups of cooked chicken breast, and this has the recipe on how to boil it and all that, but you don't have to do that. Just cook it however. If you have leftover chicken, just use that.
Which is what we have today.
Yeah, so it's fine. 1 cup of sour cream, 2 cans of condensed cream of chicken soup, 2 cups of crushed crackers, usually Ritz, about 1½ rolls. And then we have a ½ a cup of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon celery salt, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And then the spice of the month this month is poppy seeds, and some fun facts about poppy seed come from other countries in the world. The Czech Republic is the leading producer of poppy seeds in the world, and on the Isle of Crete off of Greece, poppy seeds are mixed with milk and given to babies to calm their stomachs. The sale of poppy seeds is also illegal in Singapore, Taiwan, and Saudi Arabia, which is a fun fact because in Saudi Arabia most of the Middle Eastern recipes call for poppy seeds.
I found that very interesting. Okay, we're going to build our casserole. This is be good for a weeknight meal, especially if you have leftover chicken.
Yeah.
So this is a whole chicken rather than just chicken. So there's going to be some dark meat in here too.
This is going to be a quick and easy weeknight meal, like Vicki said. And then you just kind of spread it out.
I'm going to have to break it up a little bit.
Yeah. If you have bigger pieces, if smaller pieces, you can even use canned chicken if you want.
Yeah. But this is one that I had left over from grilling. Once you have all that broken up, then you're gonna put your soup mixture on, which is the soup, the sour cream, all of the spices, the Worcestershire, the lemon juice, and you're just gonna mix it in with your chicken.
And we didn't say it, but before I got started, I did grease my casserole dish to make sure that the casserole doesn't stick and burn.
Yeah, we wouldn't want that. We're feeding a staff at the library today.
Yes, the staff is getting a lunch meal.
It would have been easier to mix it in the bowl.
Yeah, it says to put your chicken in and then put your soup on top, but Vicki's...
Which is what we did.
Yeah, but Vicki's right. It may have been easier just to mix it all in a bowl and then pour it in.
This would probably be good. You could probably freeze this either baked or after this stage and then put it in the freezer and then bake it or bring it out and put your cracker crumbs on top. So in here's the cracker crumbs, the butter, and poppy seeds and pepper. And we have our oven preheated to 350.
And when you come to the library and get your packet, you will get a packet of the exact amount of poppy seeds that you need for the recipe.
So that's all there is to it. We're going to put this in the oven and it bakes for about ½ an hour. And then when we're all finished, we'll show you what it looks like.
Okay, we're back after it has baked for between 30 and 35 minutes. I'm going to pull it out of the oven now. And the cracker crumbs are all golden brown, and the soup and sauce was bubbling on the edges. So when it's done,
It smells wonderful.
before the staff get it though, Vicki and I are going to try it.
We get to try it first. Perks of making the food. No, that's fine. There we go. I like the crunchy cracker crumbs. That's very good. Very tasty.
2 thumbs up.
Very easy recipe to do on weeknight even.
This would be good with a good salad or some nice grilled vegetables or something.
Or dessert, which we have. We have Butterfinger pie for later. Ruth likes that. We thank you for joining us. Next month we're doing French onion soup, so that should be really tasty. What's our spice?
Thyme.
Thyme. Thyme is our spice. Thank you for joining us, and we'll look for you next month.
Thank you. Bye.